Well, the BJP Maharashtra State Unit President Devendra Fadnavis has in fact spoken to my colleague Jugal Purohit, saying that the Shiv Sena is not an adversary. After the Sena, the BJP now strikes a reconciliatory note. Fadnavis has said that there will be no apologies that will be insisted upon. The BJP is in fact ready to forgive and forget the Sena's Chai Wala jibe. This is clearly the BJP and the Shiv Sena striking a reconciliatory note just hours before the assembly election results are in fact announced. This is clearly the BJP Shiv Sena, the Grand Saffron Alliance that broke off after 25 years of being together, striking the right note in the event that Maharashtra in fact hands them a hung verdict.
When we parted ways, we always thought that we are not political opponents. Our ways are different. Our goal is one, to unseat Congress and NCP. Unfortunately, on the way, we never targeted them, but they missed the target. And instead of, targeting Congress and NCP, they started targeting us. We are deeply hurt. Deep down in our heart, we are deeply hurt by the language used, by the way our Prime Minister was shown in the newspaper. We are hurt.
So you would want an apology?
But no. But still we feel that they are not our political opponents. Having said that, let me tell you, BJP is going to get absolute majority.
Okay.
We will not require anybody.
That we will see. But I want to ask you, will you insist on some kind of apology from them for what they've said to Mr. Modi?
I think that we have moved on. So apology and all these things, as of now, I don't think that they matter. What has happened has happened. The deep wound which has caused is already there. I don't think that such wounds can, heal by a simple apology. But let's see.
Mr. Sanjay Raut is on record telling us that, yes, even we are ready to sort of, forget the past and be together. But the Chief Minister should be Uddhav Thackeray.
See, I've never said that we want to be together. BJP, on its own, it's forming a government. It is
so
only.
where is the question?
There's no question. The only thing is, we are saying that neither in the past, nor today, or nor in the future, will we ever think that Shiv Sena is our political opponent.